We'll guide you through how to report bug in Jira. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 by typing the website address into the browser search bar. Choose the login method you want to use according to your preference, for example using a Google account for a faster and easier login process. Select the account you want to use for managing your Jira workspace and projects. Click Continue to proceed to the Jira dashboard and access your available spaces and boards. Select the space you want to use according to your project management needs. After opening the selected space, click the Create icon at the top of the screen to open the work item creation form. When the creation panel appears, choose the work type according to your needs, for example bug, if you want to report or track a problem within your project. Next, choose the status according to your needs so the bug is placed in the appropriate stage of your workflow. Scroll down to continue configuring the work item details and enter the necessary information. Type the summary according to your needs, for example as shown in the video, so the bug can be identified easily by other team members. If needed, add a description according to your requirements to provide additional details about the issue, expected behavior, or steps to reproduce the problem. Scroll down again to view additional options available for the bug. If needed, click on the Assignee field and choose the member you want to assign the bug to so responsibility for resolving the issue is clearly defined. If needed, click on the Due Date field and choose the due date according to your needs to help track deadlines and project schedules. Scroll down again to view more available features and settings and configure any additional options if required. For example, click Create to add the bug to your Jira project. Now you can see the bug you created in the List tab inside your Jira space.